Do these 10 things if you truly want to become a millionaire within 3 years. I have handpicked practical steps from books and interviews by self-made millionaires, and I split them into 10 steps and 4 phases. I call this first phase the setup. There are 3 steps in this phase: the realization, the plan, and the atomic habit. The first step is to calculate how much money you need to save per month to reach the magic number. Here is a simple version of the calculation. 1 million divided by 36, which is 3 years in months. That is it. And this of course does not take into account the inflation per year, but you will have a pretty realistic amount of idea to begin with. Alright, time for step 2, the plan. Now that you know the target saving, this is the time you create a savings plan. For that, you need to split your income by priority. Highest priority is your debt, which you need to clean off as soon as possible. The second is your expenses you cannot avoid, such as bills and rent. Third will be the amount of money you wish to save. This is what is later going to make you a millionaire. And this leads us to step 3, the atomic habit. To ensure that you follow step 2, you need to set up things around you so that spending less becomes easier for you. For example, go on a healthy eating diet. You will automatically stop spending on junk food or decide a day when you don't spend at all. You should cut out all materialistic things in life, find out ways to live minimal. That means spend only on things you absolutely need. You will have to do this every single day till you turn this into a lifestyle. By now you should be able to see a few thousand saved, which means it's time for phase 2, invest. Wait, don't just go and buy a stock someone tells you to buy. You first need to, step 4, educate yourself. Spend an hour each day, about a month, to learn the basics of investing, and when you're ready, move to step 5, which is invest. Put in a small part of your savings every week or two to buy stable or growth stocks or ETFs that gives you dividends. Dividends will pay you a tiny amount every quarter. With time, the more you buy, the more payouts you receive. Remember to learn first before putting in your money. And don't put all your money in the stock market. Always make sure you have an emergency fund available at your disposal. This dividend payout is your tiny but second source of income. You will learn in depth about all of these when you study this subject properly. Or if you're interested in some serious learning casually, then subscribe to this channel. Also, check out our Instagram channel for some bite-sized financial learning. By now, you should be able to see good growth in your savings, but not exactly enough to reach 7 figures within the remaining 1.5 years. This is where phase 3 comes in, knowledge and time. The step 6 is to learn. This is when you need to start upskilling yourself with high earning skill. This skill will not just enable you to find a new job that pays more, but can land you a high-paying freelance or a second job, opening up the third earning opportunity, which is your step 7, earn. With this newly earned skill, start taking up freelance jobs to add up more revenue to your savings, gain experience, and understand how the system works. This should automatically lead you to my step 8, that is networking. You need to make connections with people with various skill sets, because you are now turning into a fully resourceful person who is thinking of the step 9, automation. Time is money. Until now, you've been making money at the expense of your time. You only have 24 hours each day. So in this step, you need to figure out how to automate an idea that makes you money even while you're sleeping. Here are a few common examples, such as writing a book, create a game, make songs, start a YouTube channel. It can be anything, just be creative. Every small money you add to your account compounds into a large sum over time. Before I jump into the final phase, if you are interested in bite-sized financial education, subscribe to my channel and share this video with a friend if you want to take this journey together. And finally, the most important phase, multiply. This phase has no steps. If you have persevered to reach this stage, it means you are almost there and ready to multiply your earning and build a permanent solution, which is not just going to make you a millionaire, but is going to maintain your status as a millionaire. This is starting a business. The toughest but the most rewarding. All of your learnings, experience, and networking, use them to build a company that the consumers love and look up to. More the people love your product or service, more they use it, thus making your business sustainable. So this was a formula of becoming a millionaire in 3 years. You need to do all of these every single day to reach your dreams. The path to becoming wealthy is not easy. Very few people have it in them to go through the grind, and if you are serious about your dreams of becoming a millionaire, start your journey today. Hope this video helped you. I'm Anubhav. This is Rebrid. See you in the next video.